In this video, I'll show you how to add two types of motion blur in DaVinci Resolve. One for subtle enhancement, and one for more dramatic motion effects. Let's jump in. First, let's start with the simple method. Select your clip on the timeline, then go to the Effects panel. In the search bar, type Motion Blur, drag and drop the motion blur effect directly onto your clip. Now, head over to the Inspector panel. Under the Effects section, find the Blur Strength slider and increase it to around 100. This adds a soft, subtle motion blur, perfect for natural movement without drawing too much attention. If you're looking for a more intense blur effect, let's try the second method using motion trails. This creates longer streaks and is great for emphasizing fast motion. Go back to the Effects panel, search for motion trails, and apply it to your clip. To control when the blur appears, position the playhead where you want the effect to begin. In the inspector, under the Motion Trails settings, find the drop-off control. Click the diamond icon next to it to add a keyframe. Then, set the value to 0. Move the playhead a few seconds forward, add another keyframe, and this time, increase the drop-off value to 1. This animates the blur so it gradually fades in, giving you more control over the effect. That's it! Now you know how to add both subtle and intense motion blur in DaVinci Resolve.